what are its safety measures, what is its speed, what is its average, how good is the pickup, how many gears does it have. All these things, after analyzing, we can judge how good the car is. And if you really want to test drive the car, put behind the steering wheel a driver who is an expert driver. So if you have to judge Islam, judge upon the authentic sources, the Qur'an and the authentic Hadith, not by the followers. And if you really want to judge by its followers, the best example is the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He is the best exemplary Muslim and the best exemplary human being, as the Quran says in Surah Qalam, chapter number 68, verse number 4, that verily thou art standeth on the highest standard of character. The Quran says in Surah Azab, chapter 33, verse number 21, that verily in the messenger will you find a very beautiful example. So if you want to judge how good the religion is, and if you want to know according to a follower, the best example is the last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So what does the media do? One strategy it utilizes. It picks up the black sheep of the community and it portrays as though they are exemplary. And we will find in the newspapers, in the Indian newspaper, that the Arab has come and he has married an 18-year-old girl. A 50-year-old Arab has come and married an 18-year-old girl, and it comes in the front page, headlines. But when a 50-year-old non-Muslim rapes a 12-year-old girl, it comes in the news brief. In the news brief. This is how the media plays. The media can make a hero into a villain and a villain into a hero. It can convert day into night. It can convert night into day. The second strategy they use is they talk things about Islam which are alien to Islam. It is unheard of in Islam. And they attribute things to Islam which do not belong to this religion. It does not belong to Islam. Either by misquoting verses of the Quran, misquoting the Hadith, and they portray Islam, things like Islam is the religion of terrorism. So these things is the second strategy. And the third, they pick up teachings of Islam which are there in Islam, and they say that these are the problems for humankind. And inshallah, this part of my talk will be dedicated to this third strategy. The first strategy, every community has black sheep. The second strategy, it's alien to Islam. The things that they mention, it's not found in Islam, it's just misquotation. The third strategy, they pick up teachings of Islam and they portray as though these are the problems for humankind. The Muslims, they are fundamentalists. That's the reason humankind is in problem. They are extremists. They are terrorists. What is the meaning of the word fundamentalist? Fundamentalist by definition means a person who follows the fundamentals of one particular subject. For example, if a mathematician has to be a good mathematician, he should know, follow and practice the fundamentals of maths. Unless he is a fundamentalist in the field of maths, he can